numbers have changed. Check. Sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check. Sound check, sound check. Can you hear me? Hello James, how are you? Can you hear me? And if yes, is it too loud? Is it okay? Sound check, everybody. If you can hear me. Yeah, I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. Tell me, sound okay, sound too low, sound is too high. Yes, is the sound alright, or should I put it louder or fine? Alright. James, I have a surprise for you. Not just James, everybody. Alright? I made the deal with DarwinX. Perfect, thank you very much. Everybody, I made the deal with DarwinX that if you join the Forex course 2 until 23, it's next Friday, you can get DarwinX 0 for 10 euros instead of 65. Alright? Yeah, I'm sorry. We are testing the Forex chart stream today. This was all done in in 5 minutes. There it is. Where is the email, right? So, all right. Sorry about that. It's Friday, right? It's Friday. It's Friday. So, all right. Down here, all right. If interested, send me an email to mikefxboss@gmail.com. Give me a sec. Whoops, not this one. There you go. If you are correct English. If interested, send me an email to mikefxboss@gmail.com. Correct English? I believe so, right? If you are interested. Alright. If interested, send me an email to mikefxboss@gmail.com. Alright everybody, moving forward, bearish candlestick formations in a downtrend. Yeah, I'm going to show you again at the end of the stream, alright? Everybody, how are we doing on candlestick formations? Bullish, bearish, bearish, bearish. How are we doing on bearish candlestick formation and bullish candlestick formations? How are we doing? Alright, let's have fun today. We're going to go one by one. Alright? I'm going to open my charts. Alright? I'm going to open my charts. Tell me everyone, what is the daily chart telling you? And give me a second. What is the daily chart telling you? How would you read the daily chart on AUD CAD? Talking about candlestick formations. There is no right or wrong. What do you think is going to happen right? Alright everybody, so for some of you are new to the show, alright? Some of you are new to the show, and welcome. This is the Professional Forex Trading Course 101. It's for beginner traders, alright? So in the Forex charts, show, we were showing this to you, right? So part of the prediction, it's also based on what the candles are doing. Does this make sense? Because the higher time frame controls price action and movement on the smaller time frame. No, you need to bring everything together, you know. After the candlestick formations, we are going to learn about the Fibonacci's. Anyway, what you are seeing right now is my chart. Make sense? This is me charting. There is no right or wrong. Alright? But this is me charting what I believe is going to happen based on the same rules and concepts you are learning. Make sense? After Forex Course 101, you are going to have the same technical knowledge as I do. But where is the difference? The difference is in here. There is the difference. You don't have the money face. It's about the business. Alright? The money face is the differential. But for you to be, everybody, if you want to take a pen and paper and write down, we are getting paid as traders to get the direction right. Does this make sense? But this prediction, you know, this prediction, it's based on the Forex Course 101 knowledge. Alright? The prediction is you as an analyst. Alright? And you are getting paid from the market if you get the direction right. Did you know this, or didn't you know this? Boss, nobody told me this. Well, it's not a secret, but we are getting paid to get the direction right. Forex Course 101, it's all about direction. It's all about the market, right? We are getting paid to get the direction right. I do know this. Reed Han. Hopefully I pronounced your name correctly. How is trading going? Reed Han. I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name. Alright everybody, so it's Friday. This is the daily chart. What do you think is going to happen next week? Most likely 7 times out of 10. Remember, so remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be 60% right. Even 50% right, if you have a strong risk management. Alright? You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be 60% right. Even 50% right if you have a strong risk management. You can still make money. I'm from India, sir. Welcome. Welcome, Ritham. Alright, everybody? You don't need to be perfect. Nobody's perfect. I mean, I could get 100% weak, right? But you need to, when you say short, stay out, buy long, sell short, buy long, stay out, you need to be 60% right. Make sense? This is good news. Isn't this good news? So based on candlestick formations, bearish candlestick formations in a downtrend, what do you think is going to happen if you are paid on the direction? Is it better to go long or is it better to go short? And there is no right or wrong, because we clarified that a swing trader is going to take advantage of shorting the market when a skilled day trader is going to take advantage of the retracement. A swing trader is going to short this one, and where a day trader is going to buy this one. Makes sense? There is no right or wrong. But you're getting paid to get the direction right. As a swing trader, you need to get the direction right in order to get paid. As a day trader, you need to get the short-term direction right in order to get paid as a day trader. Does this make sense? And Forex Course 101, it's all about getting the direction right. The more you can get the direction right, the more your, you know what, the more your MyFX book, the report card on your skill is going to improve, right? The more you get your direction right, the more your MyFX book is going to improve. Can you understand this, everybody? This is your report card on how are you doing as an analyst. Alright? Alright. So, hedge fund trader James, hedge fund trader Ritham, hedge fund trader Shola, hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Melissa, hedge fund trader 4K, and everybody else that I forgot. What do you think is going to happen next week? Do you believe the market is going to push up 7 times out of 10, or do you believe the market is going to push down 7 times out of 10? What do you believe? There is no right or wrong. Exactly, we should not stress out because we need to be just 60% right. Even 50, you know, if you have a strong risk management, meaning if you plan to go 1/2 risk reward ratio and you realize 1/2, not half, then you can be even 50% wrong and still make money. Make sense? Market going to go down. Alright? Anybody else? I'm not sure why this is here. Oh, this is a level, alright, so out. So see everybody, we need to wait for this candle to close. All right, it's a lesson about candlestick formations. If this candle closes bearish, what is this telling you? And if this candle closes bullish, what is the market telling you? Short the break of counter trend line. This would make sense, sure. What if the candle, the daily candle, closes bullish? Alright, the first one it's on me, alright? The first one it's on me. No gold, my friend. This is just Forex. No gold. Alright? I'm one of these stubborn people online telling don't trade gold, you have much easier pairs to make money, don't, you know, why are you complicating things? You know? Make sense, everybody? We tend to complicate too much. Make sense? I'm sorry I cannot analyze gold, not silver, not Bitcoin. But maybe next week I'm going to go on TradingView. They're asking me to go back to TradingView too. So there maybe it's going to be a difference. Alright? Alright everybody, the first one is on me. If this candle closes bullish, in my opinion, Forex Course 101, I'm predicting that AUD-CAD is going to go up into a retracement until to here, past resistance, and then it's going to fall. Would this be a fair assessment? Forex Course 101, the very first lessons is the understanding that the market, in order to move, it must wave. There are only one or two certainties in the market, and one of the certainties is that the market, in order to wave, it must go extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. So it must retrace, it's a must. Alright? This is the first thing we learn about the market. Alright? Beginner traders are freaking out because they are buying up in here. You know, they're buying breakouts, they're buying God knows what, and they buy in here and they, oh, you know, the market's going against me, I'm going to lose. Right? This is the first thing we learn. Retracements are normal. And they close the trade in here, and when they close the trade, the market goes from a retracement to an extension. Exactly. This is normal market behavior. Lesson number 3, I believe. We have 3 normal market behaviors. We have one not tradable, it's called chaos. It's making lower lows and higher highs. Professional traders lose money in this one too. This is the not tradable, you know. So try to look, everybody, to find trending markets. Make sense? Do you see in here? Stay out, stay out. I mean, this was 5th of February. ADCHF became a buy. But do you see stay out, stay out? This became tradable. CHF not tradable. Euro CHF not tradable. Euro GBP. You don't need to waste time on everything and anything. Make sense? Forex Course 202. Just because you understand the setup, does not necessarily mean that you should take a trade. How about that, huh? Boss, can you repeat, please? And there you go. Forex course 2, the institutional type on here trader course. Just because you understand the setup, that you can argument, this doesn't necessarily mean that you should take a trade. Wow, right? Wow, I mean, those are secrets. Those are secrets, right? So, bearish candlestick formation in a downtrend. Alright? Now, whatever I'm going to do on the daily, what should I do? Do you remember the trick, everybody? Who remembers, before I'm going to buy the market, whatever, it doesn't really matter how this Friday candle is going to close, before I'm going to buy or sell the market, who remembers what I should do? Specifically about candlestick formations. Who remembers? Who remembers? YouTubers too, I have an answer on the other streaming platform, waiting for YouTube students. We talked about this, we are learning how to lose less. We were trading GBP USD 1 hour chart, GBP CAD 1 hour chart, and we're talking about, oh my gosh, if I would just go and check XYZ, I would not buy or sell the market. Who remembers? Wait for the daily confirmation, but if I'm on the daily, James, you're thinking in the correct way, congratulations, but if I'm on the daily, what should I check? The daily is giving direction to the 4-hour chart and 2-hour chart. Who is giving the direction to the daily? Oh my gosh, right? Clicked. Did it click? Did the lamp go on? The weekly, exactly. So, what is the weekly telling you? See everybody how this goes? The higher time frame controls price action and movement on the smaller time frame. Boss, what about the monthly? Well, we can check the monthly too, but it's just we are in the middle of the month. We are in the middle of the month, but so far the monthly, come on, so far the monthly, it's bullish, right? One more time, everybody. We must, so this is candlestick formations rule for analysts and traders. Candlestick formations rule for analysts and traders. You can take in consideration only the candles with a closed body. Alright? Meaning it's not moving anymore. Candlestick formation rule for analysts and traders. What is going to happen next? What I believe is going to happen in the market next week in the 2-hour chart, 4-hour chart. You can take in consideration only the candles with a closed body. I cannot say, oh, this market is going to go up. This would be wrong. Why? Because the body is still moving on the monthly. Oh, yes, but I don't want to hear yes, but I want to hear yes, sir, or yes, boss. That's the rule. Do you know what is the rule? Follow the rules. Alright? There is no yes, but there is yes, sir. So, of course, the same goes with this one. Right? Make sense, everybody? Your analysis on how to make money is going to be completely different if this closes bullish or bearish or a doji. Does this make sense? Can you understand this, everybody? Alright. Next one. Do you have any candlestick formations or any... Alright, let me give you an easy one. What do you think is going to happen on USD CHF? Daily chart first. What do you think is going to happen, everybody? Next week. Boss, I don't get it. Alright, so one more time. Do we understand that the market moves in extension, retracement, extension? Do we understand this? Lesson number 1, 2, 3 from the course. Can you understand? The market moves from extensions to retracement to extension. Can you understand this, everybody? This is how the market moves. Alright? Do we agree? It cannot move otherwise. This is an absolute must. This is the first thing you must understand from the Forex market. I'm not sure about stocks, not crypto. But the Forex market is extension, retracement, extension. It's very trending. Alright? Can you understand this? Alright. So, money is made from Monday. This is a non-written rule from the professionals. Money is made from Monday to Friday. Alright? So, if the market is like this, right, and you say as an analyst, and you say, well, this market goes up, this market is going to go up. Make sense? This is Friday. And you are saying, well, this market it's clearly up, this market it's up, direction is up. Can you understand? Alright. Now listen up. It doesn't matter if you are a day trader or a swing trader, or a scalper, or a unicorn trader, if you believe that the market goes up, look what happens now. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Did you make any money on a demo account, whatever methodology you are trading, Fibonacci, Ichimoku, you know, golden unicorns and rainbows, whatever. It doesn't matter if you're a scalper, a day trader. If your brain was wired to buy the market, did you make any money here? No, exactly. I'm answering to a student, not on YouTube, on the other streaming platform. He was asking why money is made on from Monday to Friday, and why do we need to be that specific? It's not enough, you know, and so on and so on and so on. So what I'm missing, and most of students when they come to Forex course 202, is the understanding that after an extension a retracement must come, right? So this is the daily chart. On the smaller time frames I'm going to see a downtrend. Guess what an unskilled trader is going to think and do next week? Oh my gosh, this is me. This is everybody until we understand what does this mean that it's a skill. How would you trade the market in here? Would you try to buy the market as an analyst, or would you try to short the market? And I can prove you, I can go on the 4-hour chart and get rid of this one. Are you going to think, oh, let's buy this sucker? No. Why would you buy something that is going down? Agreed? Agreed? So you are going to say, oh, this is now, I've lost the first week. You know, now the market is clearly going down, so I'm going to short the market. Let's see what is going to happen. Monday went down, back up. Tuesday went down. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Would you make any money? So beginner traders that are unskilled, and I'm talking about the knowledge and understanding about the common sense, they were buying up in here because they forgot that the market must retrace, and they were shorting down in here because they forgot that the market must wave and is going to go in the next extension. Can you understand this? Everybody, it's Friday, make me happy. Type in the chat, yes, I understand. YouTubers too, make me happy. Come on, it's Friday. Give the boss a little hope. Give the boss a little hope. Don't go against the daily, says James. It's not about going, it's the understanding. Make sense, everybody? And you've learned support resistance. The market is past support. And you are shorting. You are shorting. This was Friday. You have past support. And you are shorting the market at past support. Bam, 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 bam. Loser again. and the market is going to go up, guess what the unskilled trader is going to do up in here too? He's going to buy, and the market is going to do what? See everybody? So, one more time, let's rehearse one more time. Hedge fund trader James and hedge fund trader Ritham and hedge fund traders who are quiet, what are you predicting next week? Are you predicting that the market is going to go up and up and up? Or are you predicting that the market is go into a retracement? Which one? Applause to James. Retrace. Very good. Excellent. Fair comment on the other streaming pattern. Boss, but how do you know? You are going to take this circle and you are going to go on the weekly chart and you are going to delete a lot of things. You are going to go on the weekly chart. You are going to delete a lot of things and you are going to find past. Oh my gosh, this is so simple. It is. It is. It is simple. Can you see it, everybody? On the weekly chart, the market is at past resistance, isn't it? Isn't the market past resistance? Isn't the market at the past resistance? Boss, it's clear to me that I really don't know much after 2 years. Well, it's repetition. If you buy the market right now, you are going against me. I'm going to or stay out or I'm going to short the market. Does this make sense? The market went up. Money's been made. If you want to buy USD CHF on all time frames, the money's been made already. Elvis has left the building. The train has left the station. But a lot of Forex traders, students who come to Forex course too, they have big issues because of the, oh, I'm going to wait for this confirmation and that confirmation and I want to say this and this and that, and they are not making any money in here, right? They go to the daily chart and they say, oh, this was the market from before. You know, and they say, oh, I'm going to wait for the market to break this high. This is going to signal me the change in the short-term trend. And the market went up. Bam! Now that the market finally made a higher high, I'm not arrogant, I'm trying to explain to you the skill. You know? Beginner trader or unskilled trader didn't take advantage of this market going up, right? And now that the market made a high, he or she is going to enter long right now. But after an extension, a retracement must come. Make sense, everybody? We have a perception problem, but this perception problem is based on a thinking problem. Oh, finally the market broke the high. Finally the market made a higher high. Can you recognize this way of thinking? high. Finally, the market made a higher high. Right? Now I'm going to buy. Well, you need to go on the higher time frame and check what are you going to buy. Does this make sense, everybody? Type in the chat, yes, it makes sense, or type in the chat, no, this is all BS, this is all baloney, you know. The market doesn't work like this. Boss, what if the market goes up? Great question. If this weekly candle closes with bearish pressure and the next week the market goes up like this, what does this mean for the trader who went long, and what does this mean for the trader who was waiting to go short? Great question. Great question. You see a bearish candle, huge bearish pressure on past resistance. You believe that the market is going to retrace, right? But the next week the market goes up and bam, bullish candle. What does this mean? If you buy a bearish candle, everybody, you don't need to complicate. Just try to understand what I'm saying to you, right? Open your mind and open your heart. And try not to fight. No, I'm right and you are wrong. And make sense? If you buy a bearish candlestick formation with huge bearish pressure and the market goes up, were you skilled or were you lucky? This is all that you must understand about a skill. All of your prayers are going to be answered in the Forex course 202. Like making money, it's not a functionality of being right or wrong. Those concepts and ideas takes time for you to understand. Self-worth issues, personalizing trades, chasing the money, and on and on and on and on. Trading, it's a skill. You can learn this. Nobody is born a trader. You are going to make yourself as a trader if you are coachable. Boss, what was the question again? If you buy a bearish candle, you know, it's Friday and you buy the candle like this, I'm going to yell at you, why did you do this? Why did you buy a bearish candle at past support? But the next week the market is going to bam, is going to go up. Were you lucky or is this a skill? I'm answering to a student on the other streaming platform who said, what if the market goes up? One of the biggest issues to move from Forex course 101 to Forex course 202 is the Forex rep by MC FX Boss. 1 + 1 + 1 is 3. Don't trade from what you think is going to happen. Trade from what you see. Yo. The Forex rep. Yo. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Don't trade from what you think is going to happen. Trade from what you see. Bearish candle. Huge bearish pressure. Past resistance. Prediction. Short. Market goes up. You got lucky. Does this make sense to you? Because if it doesn't, and I have experience with some student says, no, this was a skill, alright, tell me what is telling you that the market is going to go up. It's always the same story, right? Always the same. What is telling you that this market is going to go up? Candle? No. Support? No. Uptrend maybe? Well, uptrend line maybe, but I'm going to ask, well, what about the downtrend, right? The blue one. Market's going down, not up. So how do you know that this retracement is going to continue? What is telling you that the market is going to move up? Answer, no. You got it. Nothing is telling me. I took a shot and I got lucky. But trading is a skill. In the Forex course 202 we are collecting samples, non-negotiably obeying rules to get to the edge. So if you are collecting samples non-negotiably, obeying the rules, every trade must be exactly the same, right? So you need to choose, or you are going to follow the predetermined institutional formulas, or you are going to just take shots. Does this make sense? Fair enough? One plus one is 3. Don't trade what you think is going to happen. You're taking shots. You're taking chances. Make sense? This market works the same in all currency pairs. Some of them are easier to understand, like USD CHF in this example. Some of them are a little bit more difficult, like GBP USD, right? GBP USD, it's not an easy one. Not an easy one, GBP USD. Boss, give me a suggestion. Look for trending markets. When you are doing this in the Forex course 202, look for trending markets. Alright? Look for trending markets. See this one? This is not an easy pair. Why not? Because you had a counter trend line break, then the market went into consolidation, then the market went out of consolidation, and if you short the market is not moving down. Agreed? This is not a trending market. Alright? Let me check. Let me check, give it a second. NZD-USD. NZD-USD. See, why would you waste your time with something like this? Make sense? Why would you waste your time? You know? And this is the daily chart. And it goes up for a few days. And it goes down to a few days. And it goes back to zero. And it goes back up, but not that far much. And it's sideways, you know, and it goes up a little bit. You know, and it's not doing anything in here. And it goes up a little bit. You know, and then it goes down. You know, and then it goes further down. Right? And then it goes back up again. See everybody? Why would you waste your time? And we talked about you are getting paid if you get the direction right. Look at this, is chaos, it's chaotic, right? It's chaos. See? You're going to make some money, but then you're going to lose some money. Right? Higher highs, higher, higher high, higher low. And then lower low, lower high, higher high, higher low, lower low. Alright, everybody? Look at this chart and look at this chart and look at this chart. Can you see the difference? Are those two the same for you to make money and trade relaxed and trading is fun and I'm enjoying trading? Can you see the difference? Boss, give me a suggestion. Look for trending markets. Don't stress out and waste time. You should be with your friends and family and kids, and you are wasting time in here. Does this make sense? Alright, happy weekend. One last time before we finish. Where is the promo? There you go, everybody. I made a deal with Darwinex. Darwinex is looking for traders. It's an asset manager. I'm teaching you how to make money in the Forex course 202. If you join Forex course 202 until 23 next Friday, you can get Darwinex 0 for 10 euros instead of 65. If interested, send me an email to mikefxboss@gmail.com. Alright, everybody, have a great weekend. See you back on Monday. Until Monday, stay strong and approach this business like a boss, because you are the boss.